Hello, and today we'll be comparing Ninja PB041ST pots and grounds with single serve coffee maker versus Outin Nano portable electric express machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee, Ninja is better. Brewing capacity, Ninja is better. Iced coffee brewing, Ninja is better. Hot coffee brewing, it's Thai. Milk frozen, Ninja is better. Brew range control, Ninja is better. Size portability, Outin is better. Water reservoir, Ninja is better. Heating speed, Outin is better. Ease of use is Thai. Programmability, Ninja is better. Cleaning, Ninja is better. Footprint and design, Outin is better. Build quality, Outin is better. Special features, Ninja is better. Price, Ninja is better. What's best for depends on need. Coffee quality, it's Thai. Durability, Outin is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Ninja PB041ST pots and ground single serve coffee makers. The link to buy it is in the video description.